take care of your wigs and they will take care of you. Put it in the box. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by moi, by way of King Zepicot, and it is a new wig brand by a black woman. Listen, I love it here. So if you want to see how I got this wig together from A to slay quickly, I mean quick, because I gotta go. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Believe in Hair. All the specs to my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Your girl is actually in a rush this morning. Hold up. So y'all know when I'm in a rush, I like to grab my water wave. Okay, so this is the Believe in Hair water wave texture. This one is from a black-owned brand. Okay, black woman-owned brand. Hello. I found this wig thanks to TikTok. Another wig influencer started her own wig line. Her name is Sarah. On TikTok, I believe her name is Sarah Be Living. Listen, Sarah be making the wigs. The texture already looks amazing. And guess what I'm not gonna do? I ain't gonna wash it. So let's go ahead and give her a little clink clink, a little hoe bath. Again, I'm in a rush, okay? So spray it down with water, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with some hair perfume. This is my Esha hair perfume, and this is Winners. You can use this on your body or your hair. I like to use it mainly for the hair, cause you know, these wigs be stinking. Hers is actually not that bad though. It's, you know, it smells like chemical. You will want to wash yours. But if you're in a rush like me, make sure you wear your wig cap. Don't be freeballing these wigs, okay? Now, one thing I did notice, Sarah, is there's no comb in the back. You know, I don't really care for the combs on the side, but I need the comb in the back. I just want that extra security on my nape. It does come with the piano keys elastic band on the side. I'm gonna move mine to the last hook just to make sure it's gonna fit around my dome. Y'all know my head is big every day, okay? 23, gang, gang. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate, and I'm gonna tint my lace. This is a pre-cut wig, meaning you don't gotta cut nothing. It's already cut. The hairline is looking great. That's how she's looking, unsponsored. So clearly everyone should be getting the same thing. The band feels a little loose. We're gonna work with it. Y'all see how pretty that texture is? She has the affordable line, which is what I got, and then she has the, you know, the expensive line. The affordable line will act affordable. So if you plan on wearing this wig every single day for a month, it's gonna react like you wore this wig every single day for a month. Catch it, catch it. Some of y'all be buying these fast fashion wigs and then not understanding why they be shedding and tangling after a couple weeks of wear. These ones need extra TLC, tender loving care. I'm using my Nairobi Mousse, and I'll put that all around the hairline to swish my hairline, okay? Y'all know I like the swishies. Bring it down a little bit. I need my forehead to be covered. And push that back. She sent me a band, but no clips. It's all right. We're gonna work with what we got. Do you believe? I'm not gonna do too much, so I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb here, and I'm just gonna comb through the hair like this. That's what I want. I don't have that much time, so I can't be sitting here all day clumping curls. But I'm gonna take a little mousse on my end, work that in like that, and just clump those back together so when they dry down, they're not so frizzy. This is water wave? Am I wrong? Is this a jerry curl? I am getting some shedding with this hair. Combing that hair out definitely gave me a little bit more thickness and volume, even though it's not a super thick unit. Well, I got the water wave 22-inch 6x4, 180% density. So the more affordable is the Duchess collection, which is what I have. And then you also have the Empress collection, which is more of her luxury type of hair. You gonna pay them luxury prices, okay? Let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick. Okay, let us take off this band in the back. Ooh, come on hairline, I like it. Now for a more seamless melt, you go ahead and spray it down if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna use my creamy bronze powder to tint my parting space just a smidge, a little bit down to the front. Bring that down to the front. Oh, let me stop. Let me blend my contour out with my brush. Just around here real quick. Take off these clips. I'm gonna take a little bit of my hairspray just around here at the front. So I want it to sit back off my face. Y'all, am I done? Okay, so here is the final look, y'all. What we think? Sarah did that. Yeah. Make sure you take care of your wigs. Don't be having it on the floor. Don't be having it thrown around the sink. Don't be having it on your kitchen counter. I'm not talking about me, but I'm just saying. Take care of your wigs and they will take care of you. Put it in the box. I already got shedding with mine, as you guys saw, so I more than likely will get shedding when I go into wash her. After I wash and wear her a few times, I'll give you guys an update, okay? But anyway, I will put the direct link for my unit down below as well as my specs, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.